Welcome to this video about Smart Discovery in SAP Analytics Cloud. I'll bring in an Excel sheet with data and have SAC process it automatically. Machine learning will detect which columns are measures and which are dimensions, and I'll be ready to analyze the data in a matter of seconds. Once it is done, I'm able to use the Data Explorer to explore the data. Here I wish to see the order value for Racer. This can be copied directly into a story and used directly. I'm also able to use the function Smart Discovery. Here SAC will travel through the data and use machine learning to gather insight based on my wishes. Here I wish to learn about order value and use customer as my primary dimension for the analysis. Now SAC will analyze the data and will build a standard story with 4 elements: an overview, some key influencers, unexpected values, and simulation. My overview will have 5 different tiles. It will have the total order value for customer, and then it will have the total amount of customers, the mean and max of order value, and then the distribution of order value, the order value over time with a prediction of order value in the future, order value by our top customers. We can also use Smart Insights to give an analysis of which dimension drives order value and which dimension members are key influencers. United States is the top contributor, Jordan Landry is the top sales agent, and so forth. Key influencers. Here SAC will provide an analysis of our key influencers of order value for customer. How sales agents influence order value. You can see that Jordan Landry and Tracy Jiang are key sales agents. They are responsible for more than half of the total order value. Unexpected values. Here outliers will be presented, so you can determine if actions should be taken. The simulation. The average order value is 13,465, and below are all my influencers and how they each impact my order value. If I change the sales agent to Jordan Landry and press simulate, I would see that I would increase my order value with 20%. Thank you for watching this very small presentation.